I decided to embark on a slightly unusual experiment. I cloned myself as a news anchor using the power of artificial intelligence. It sounds like science fiction, I know, but here's what happened when I put this AI technology to the test. The results were, well, you'll see. We're rapidly approaching 2025, and in this near future, the line between what's real and what's digitally fabricated is becoming blurrier than ever before. It's getting harder to tell what's authentic and what's not. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an astonishing rate. AI can now generate incredibly realistic images from simple text prompts, write compelling essays on complex topics, and even compose original music in a variety of styles, mimicking human composers with surprising accuracy. Perhaps most impressively, AI can now bring a still photo to life, transforming it into a talking head that can deliver lines with remarkable realism. Given these advancements, I wanted to see if I could create a convincing digital twin of myself, an AI-powered avatar that could convincingly mimic my appearance and voice. My goal was to create one that could deliver a short news report flawlessly and convincingly, without me ever having to step in front of a camera or record a single line of dialogue. Could I essentially outsource my on-screen presence to an AI? The primary tool I used for this experiment is a platform called DID, a company specializing in AI-driven video creation. DID uses advanced AI algorithms to transform any portrait photograph into a photorealistic video, capable of reading a provided script with surprisingly natural-looking lip movements and facial expressions. So, my mission, should I choose to accept it, was simple. Upload a standard high-quality profile photo of myself to the DID platform. Then, I would write a short news script, carefully selecting an appropriate AI-generated voice from the platform's library to match my own. The ultimate test was to see if the final result, the AI-generated video of me delivering the news, could actually pass as the real me, or at least be convincing enough to fool most viewers. In the rest of this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from uploading the photo to generating the final video. I'll show you the DID platform's user interface, highlighting its key features and options. We'll break down what aspects of the AI-generated video work well, what areas still need improvement, and where the technology currently falls short. Ultimately, we'll discuss who this technology is really for. Is it a tool for professional content creators or something else entirely? The big question is this a glimpse into the future of content creation, a sign that AI will soon replace human actors and presenters? Or is it simply a cool party trick, a novelty technology with limited real-world applications? Let's dive in and find out what this technology is capable of. So, what exactly is DID? In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, DID stands out as a particularly fascinating and innovative platform. It's a tool that's capturing the imagination of creators, educators, and businesses alike. At its core, it's an AI platform designed for animating faces. But it's so much more than just a simple animation tool. It leverages sophisticated algorithms to breathe life into still images. DID excels at generating videos from photos and text, transforming static content into dynamic and engaging experiences. Imagine turning a simple headshot into a captivating video presentation, all powered by the magic of AI. Originally, DID's primary focus was on privacy. The initial concept revolved around safeguarding digital identities. The company started by making faces unrecognizable to facial recognition systems, providing a layer of anonymity in an increasingly surveilled world. This technology was designed to protect individuals from unwanted tracking and identification. But, in a remarkable pivot, they flipped the script, recognizing the potential of their technology for creative applications. They began using the same core tech, not to obscure faces, but to bring them to life, giving them the power of speech and expression. This transformation marked a significant shift in the company's direction. The platform is remarkably simple and user-friendly, making it accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their technical expertise. The process is straightforward. Upload a photo, add text or an audio file containing the desired speech, and the AI does the rest, handling the complex task of animation and synchronization behind the scenes. The AI meticulously analyzes facial features in the uploaded photo, creating a detailed map of the face, and then syncing them precisely to the provided speech. The real magic and what truly sets DID apart is in the incredibly realistic lip sync. The AI intelligently maps the nuances of the audio to the corresponding mouth movements, creating a seamless and believable connection between the sound and the visuals. This results in a lifelike animation that's surprisingly engaging and effective at conveying information. DID's website showcases a wide array of examples, demonstrating the versatility and potential of the platform. You'll find everything from digital instructors delivering online courses, to recreations of historical figures sharing their stories, brought to life through AI. And remarkably, all of these digital characters are capable of speaking in over 100 languages, making it a truly global communication tool. But DID is not just a novelty or a fun gimmick. It's rapidly becoming a serious and indispensable tool for scalable video production, offering businesses and organizations a cost-effective and efficient way to create engaging video content. Under the hood, DID leverages the power of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, a sophisticated type of AI architecture. In this setup, one AI, the generator, is responsible for creating the animated content, while another AI, the discriminator, acts as a judge, evaluating the quality and realism of the generated animation. This constant back and forth pushes the animation to look as real and natural as possible, resulting in increasingly impressive results. So, what's the final result of all this sophisticated technology? The result is fast, realistic talking head videos generated from a single photo, opening up a world of possibilities for content creation and communication. Getting started with DID is refreshingly easy. Sign up on their website, Google, LinkedIn, or email, and you're in within seconds with free trial credits to experiment. The dashboard is clean. Choose to create a video, browse your library, or use the API. You can pick a stock presenter or upload your own photo. I uploaded a high-res headshot. DID recommends a clear front-facing image. My photo appeared instantly, ready to animate. The creation interface is simple: image on the left, script box on the right, and customization options below. The process feels more like filling out a form than using complex software. In under 2 minutes, my digital likeness was ready to go. The low barrier to entry makes this tech accessible to anyone. Next, I needed to breathe life into my digital clone. I gave it a script to read and, crucially, a voice to speak with. This is where the real magic happens, transforming a static image into a dynamic, engaging avatar. The goal was to make it as believable as possible, and the right script and voice are paramount to achieving that. The platform allows you to either type your script directly into the provided text box, or if you've prepared it beforehand, you can simply paste it in. There's a generous character limit, which is perfect for creating short, impactful clips. I found this particularly useful for experimenting with different messages and tones. It's all about finding the right words to convey your message effectively through your avatar. One of the most impressive features of DID is its extensive language support. It supports over 120 languages and a wide array of accents, opening up a world of possibilities for global communication. This means you can essentially have your avatar speak almost any language you desire, making it an incredibly versatile tool for reaching diverse audiences. Imagine the possibilities for international marketing, educational content, or even just connecting with friends and family around the world. The language options are truly remarkable. When it comes to voice options, the selection is truly extensive. You can choose from a variety of preset AI voices, each with its own unique tone and style. However, I found that none of the pre-existing voices quite captured my own unique sound. That's where the custom upload feature came in. This was a game changer for me, as it allowed me to truly personalize my digital twin. I carefully recorded my script using a microphone, then used audio editing software to clean up the recording, removing any background noise and ensuring clarity. Finally, I uploaded the polished audio file to the platform, and just like that, my digital twin was ready to speak with my real voice, adding a layer of authenticity that would have been impossible otherwise. It was a surreal but incredibly satisfying experience. Beyond just the voice itself, there's also a style option that allows you to influence the emotional delivery of the AI. You can choose from a range of emotions such as cheerful, sad, or excited, to tailor the avatar's performance to your specific needs. However, it's important to note that this style option only applies to the pre-generated AI voices, not to custom uploaded voices like my own. Since I was aiming for a professional news anchor test, I initially selected a formal style, hoping it would subtly influence the avatar's demeanor. However, as I mentioned, because I was using my own voice, this setting ultimately didn't have any effect on the final output. Overall, the entire process of adding a script and voice was remarkably seamless. From preparing the script to recording and uploading my voice and selecting a style, everything was set up in a matter of minutes. This level of personalization and ease of use is truly a game changer in the world of AI avatars. It opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for anyone wanting to create a convincing and engaging digital double. With the script, voice, and style all configured, it was finally time to take the plunge and generate the video. The moment of truth had arrived. With everything set, I hit Generate Video. The platform confirms your choices, shows a preview, and tells you how many credits it'll cost. Click, and the AI gets to work, processing your audio, syncing mouth shapes, and adding subtle head movements and blinks. For my 10-second clip, it took about 2 minutes to generate. The speed is a huge advantage. Tweak your script or photo, and you can have a new version in minutes. Once done, the video appears in your library, ready to play, download, or share. The whole process, from upload to finished video, is smooth and hands-off. It's a massive leap from traditional video production. Time for the reveal. I played the video, and honestly, it's impressive. My digital clone delivered the lines with my real voice, and the head movements and blinks felt natural. The lip sync was accurate most of the time, though fast phrases sometimes looked a bit off. The biggest giveaway? The expression. The avatar stayed neutral, no eyebrow raises, no smiles, just a steady delivery. For a news anchor, that works. For more expressive content, it's a limitation. Overall, it's about 90% convincing. Far better than old animation tools, but not quite indistinguishable from reality. The tech is futuristic, but you can still spot the difference if you look closely. For most viewers, especially on a phone, it's more than good enough. It's a technical achievement, but not a perfect human replacement yet. Who should use this? Content creators can make intros, outros, or short videos without filming. Great for social media or consistent branding. Educators and trainers can animate historical figures or create scalable, updatable training videos. Marketers can personalize video ads at scale, and entrepreneurs can make polished demos or pitches without a big budget. It's also a tool for accessibility, giving a digital voice to those who can't speak, or creating interactive help videos. The key: efficiency and scale. Update a script, regenerate a video, and you're done. DID isn't for high-emotion storytelling, it's for fast, functional, and consistent video content. It levels the playing field for creators and businesses alike. Let's break it down. Pros: DID is fast, easy, and accessible. You can create a video in minutes with no technical skills. The animation quality, especially lip sync and head movement, is impressive, and uploading your own voice makes it personal. The language library is huge, making global communication easy. Cons: the avatars lack emotional expression, so they're not suited for content that needs personality or passion. Lip sync isn't flawless. Small glitches can reveal the AI. The credit-based pricing can add up if you're making lots of videos, and as with any deepfake tech, there are ethical considerations, but DID has safeguards in place. Cloning myself with AI was a success, with caveats. DID's tech is a glimpse of the future video creation as easy as writing a document. The next frontier is emotion. AI avatars that can smile, frown, or react to the script's sentiment. Soon, we'll see real-time interactive avatars for customer service and virtual assistants. My advice? Try it yourself. The barrier to entry is low, and understanding these tools is key to using them responsibly. The future of content is personal, scalable, and powered by AI. Dive in, the future is happening now.